Stay where you are and do not return to Jamaica, says President of the Returning Residents Association.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
President of the Jamaica Association for the Resettlement of Returning Residents, Percival LaTouche, has said that the murders of returning residents has increased by almost 47% in 2019 when compared with murders of returning residents last year. We have had 25 deaths of returning residents this year. Last year, there were 17 for the whole year. Jamaica has become a cannibalized country, where people are afraid to go on the streets. The Jamaica I used to know and love is no more, a despairing LaTouche said. The type of murders, the barbarity, the brutalism, the way that people are being killed, the murder of the Chief Justice's sister, the chopping death of Miss Gale. I am not encouraging anybody to come back here to live. LaTouche was making reference to the murder of 67-year-old Evadne Gale, who was chopped to death at her home in Manchester recently. Police reports are that shortly after 7 p.m, a relative stumbled upon Gale's body and alerted them. He was also alluding to the rape and murder of Peggy Aljo, the 74-year-old sister of former Chief Justice Zelia Makala. A man has since pleaded guilty to Aljo's rape and murder. LaTouche has become more strident in urging Jamaicans overseas not to return home. When they call, what should I tell them? A woman called me this morning from Switzerland that she wants to come home and wanted to know how to get her returning resident status. And I told her to stay where she is. Why pack up and come home? She said she shipped off her stuff already, but forewarned is to be forearmed, so she needs to know what is going on, he said. According to LaTouche, who spent over 30 years in the United Kingdom before returning to his homeland, Jamaica has become a fertile place to commit murder. The people who commit crimes are in high places. Look at the murder of returning resident Jermaine Jr., who is investigating that murder. Whose gun the bullet came from? 12 stab wounds, 1 gunshot wound. What happened to that? I am not afraid. God is over my head. My father and mother are Christians. I will speak my truth. I am not stopping. I only have to do what I have to do, LaTouche said. Junior's body, which had more than a dozen stab wounds, was reportedly found in the living room of an attorney around 4:30 a.m. in September of 2016. The deceased was said to be the caretaker of the premises. The police said that there was no signs of forced entry. The lawyer who reportedly slept through the murder was immediately ruled out as a suspect by the police.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.